Ambitious energy initiative aims to revive the petroleum sector that has seen an acute drop in crude and gas production in the last few years.
One reason is the natural diminishing of reserves from major oil that accounts to over 40% of Egypt's output. Another reason is that international oil firms had not received their shares of revenue from the government due to budget constraints, which prompted these companies to halt production in Egypt.
Sensing the damaging impact of the energy production cuts, the state quickly moved to pay back most of its debts to the oil companies. The government has offered various incentives to the international oil firms to encourage them to return to Egypt. This helped kickstart a series of investments in the last year, worth about $1.1 billion, adding 300 new wells to the grid. The promising feedback has encouraged the government to launch the $5.7 billion plan to drill 480 new wells in 5 years.
The agreement has been changed to be like good conditions for the investors. The regulation and the law in terms of the gas law already regulation has already give the opportunity to the investor or the international company to sell the gas in Egypt or out Egypt. Egypt have a lot of actually potential and geological places which you can actually invest in Mediterranean and in Western Desert. And also we have a good potential for the reserve.
Egypt aims to increase its natural gas production that had dropped from 7.3 billion feet a day in 2019 to 4.1 billion in 2024.
Petroleum products are the main pillar of any economic development as it's the source of energy for all sectors. Egypt wants to achieve self-sufficiency and then export to support the state budget. It will also benefit the Egyptians as the new project will employ thousands of people, while self-sufficiency will definitely reduce the prices of energy in households and improve livelihoods.
Meanwhile, officials are trying to reduce dependence on fossil fuels by tapping into alternative clean energy.
Fossil fuel will be already decreasing and the natural decreasing, and the strategy for the government, it will be actually change to the renewable energy. And this is the strategy already by 2040 it will be reached to 40% to the energy production in terms of solar panel, in terms of hydrogen, green hydrogen, in terms of wind and all this, and also by 2027 it will be like a nuclear also source for generating energy in Al-Daba.
With this 5-year strategy, the North African country hopes to become a regional energy hub. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.